Hmm?
You first.
No, you guys first. Mom will tell you who's going first.
What do you want me to do? You want me to have them come up here?
You can give it to them. If they want to do it over there, I can video them. It doesn't matter. Wherever. I'm recording now, so whatever.
Alright. Well. It looks like there was so much he had to put stuff underneath. So, okay, so this is Angel's here, and that's Fernando's and Boogie's. We got Reese's. That's pretty cool. Does he know us? All right, Angel.
That's cookies.
Ooh.
And there's cards right here.
Freaks.
Mine.
Fernando.
Dude, you guys just.
I want mine.
They packed it.
Santa packed it.
All right, Boogie.
You got one of those.
Really?
I
Really?
got one too. I saw that in the beginning. I saw that in the beginning. I saw that in the beginning. So I was like, wow.
Well, just because you guys are messy, so you need it.
Oh, Dad, you got 2 oranges. Here, Dad.
Hang on.
You want to believe?
Where's this video clip on?
What's that?
Pop rocks. 2 straws.
Made in Mexico.
Choo choo.
Oh, I know what I found something.
Yeah, choo choo.
Train tracks.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey, hopefully you
Here,
don't
put-
have the kisses this time.
sit down on the ground. Now you can
Yep,
actually
sent
sit
it
down on
over.
the ground.
I got gum. You
Why don't you sit down on the ground
Oh.
and do it? So you can spread it out in your area, whatever.
Red. Is
You
it
got
chocolate?
That's money.
Yes.
That's chocolate.
That's money.
Oh, you got cold.
Hey, I got one too.
I got one too.
I told Santa not to give Boogie candy. Candy.
What's this? Oh.
Oh, now it's on.
Hey.
Oh, wow.
Hey,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Look.
Are they rings? They're rings.
yeah. And then there's these.
That's cool.
That's mine.
I got 3 of these. So.
Oh, look. He's pretty awesome.
Right?
Look at that Star Wars thing sticking out.
I'll
Hey, Angel, look, I got lightsabers.
Nice.
this one.
Rocks and another pack of gum. Hey, I got these too.
What else you got in there, book?
This is it.
And I got another pack of chocolate bunny.
What are the minions? What's that?
I know.
Is that candy too?
Minion surprise. I think it's supposed to be a surprise.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah. I told Santa not to give you candy. It looks like he didn't listen to me.
Yay! The sour thing.
Nice.
Look, Mommy.
Should I start putting things back?
Sure.
Hey, I got 2 minion surprises.
Nice.
And then chocolate.
What is that?
That's a candy.
It's a candy? Oh, is it a lollipop? It's got a stick on it.
That's got a lot of junk, man.
Chicken.
candy.
My cookie. It's my
Here.
cookie.
Oh, what's in the box?
Wow.
Mystery.
My other box.
Oh, your other box. You're not gonna open it?
Open it.
Okay, we got it. Look. Let's put this stuff back for now so we can open other presents.
No, Mommy. I don't think
You don't want to put you.
You don't.
Don't you want to open your gifts,
You
your
can get
presents,
more toys. You can get more toys.
and then we can put. Well, let's
Dude.
open everything first. Here.
I can't fit it all in there.
No, me either.
Where should I put this?
Eat it.
Right.
Well, you're gonna
I don't open it.
open it.
It's chocolate.
You don't want to open your presents? You don't want to see what's in it? Here, rip it open.
You could try that.
There. See, you can open it.
And then you can get other toys over there. Oh, I know
My
those
hair's
are
all
little
flat.
slingy things. Hey, so whatever we can't fit, what do we do?
I get it. Whatever you can't fit, I eat. No, I don't want that.
Where do you put this on?
Okay. Here, we'll put
Dude,
this
I don't
in.
know. Here.
When we're done, let's look. You see all of those presents over there? We gotta open all of that.
Here.
You don't want to open your other presents?
It's because we saw the.
I think what we need to do.
I'm gonna open my other present.
You're not going to open your other presents? Are you going to give them back to Santa?
No,
Well, if we don't open them now, then what do we do?
no.
What?
I train track.
Okay, well, let's see what else Santa brought. And then, once we get everything,
Where do you put this?
once
Put
we
it up
open
on the
everything,
Table
can
over there.
you help him hang it up?
Well, we're just gonna put it back up.
I spiders.
You got spiders,
I got spiders there.
and you got snakes.
I got
Put it
spiders.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Ooh.
that's nasty.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's
Yeah.
a penguin.
Angela. You got it?
Hey,
Hello. Yeah, right there. I'm from my boy.
hang on. Here you go.
We did stockings.
Alrighty then.
And now Boogie doesn't want to open anything else. He wants to play with the toys that were in his stocking.
Gabriel, you gotta open the present. Santa brought you more presents.
Okay.
That's
They're over there.
All right.
What is that?
Can you just toss everything else out?
I did because I can't get it back in.
Can you see the floor, Ange?
Yeah, you know what I was thinking was maybe you should put it on the other side of the room facing the couches. Because you all are sitting on the couches.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like put it on Gabriel's little table facing the couches.
I was just saying. I was just gonna point to that because they're gonna be sitting there. You.
Or not.
Nick,
Emily, I just gave Baby her present. She's going crazy.
Nice.
I got you here.
Ah!
Monsters Inc.
Do you want to put this on your table and then when we're done, here I'll hold this. put that on your table, and then come back. Can you see everybody?
Yeah, but turn me to the right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Can you see Fernando?
Cheeto bandito burrito.
Can you see Fernando?
Look at Max. He's going crazy.
Angela. Hey, squirrel. Can you see Fernando and Boogie right now?
I can see Fernando, but I can't see Boogie.
Well then,
Right there.
we need to turn your back that way.
Right there. I found me.
Get you. Is that your monkey too?
Yes.
Wow.
My monkey. Yeah.
Is that a little monkey?
You're touching him.
I don't get it. Trixie.
And monkey.
Fernando, is Cheeto your favorite?
Yeah.
How about Chucky on my favorite? Too.
Who's your favorite?
Chucky.
Chucky?
Chucky's down on the floor next to the table.
Mine's is Princess.
You want
Your name is Princess. I can't believe you like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just my thing.
Thank you. I put mine in the trash bag. Oh, it's right here.
Very couple presents.
Not my chair.
Go sit down.
Princess is all like, what do you bring? What do you bring?
We're gonna have him sit down,
Mm-hmm.
and then you gonna go sit with your brothers. Put your
Oh,
leave your tray over here. All right.
Who's
So
going?
how about this? I'll call you to come up here, grab something, you go back and we'll do it that way.
Alright.
Oh, Princessa.
Oh, this one. You want to take it back?
Oh, Dad.
Can you open it though?
Don't open it yet.
I'm a monkey.
Oh, Gabriel.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I know.
I saw a lot of tables. Don't open it.
Don't open it yet.
So I'm just gonna. Oh, look at that! Did you see that Santa left a mess?
What?
He must have been taking notes from you, Fernando. The crumbs all over the table.
Can you see the couch, Ange?
I can't see Angel. I can see his foot.
How about now?
There you go. Now you can see him.
Oh, we're looking for.
Back here.
I said take Daddy here. I have my toys.
Sit down.
Oh, here's Fernando.
I got a Tootsie Roll. A big humongous Tootsie Roll.
Do you want to get a couple of things and then
Yeah.
start opening?
Yeah.
Alright, Boogie.
What?
Here,
What-
bring
what you
this
get
one down.
Look.
Heavy.
Oh, what's the back there?
Boogie's not gonna be a problem.
Trixie, you want to go outside?
Just put it right there.
What's that? Home, how home?
You know what? Just open those for now.
Hang on.
Hang on, because Daddy's doing this.
We're shaking them.
Dude,
What?
apparently he doesn't understand hang on.
She said,
I said hang on because Dad is doing something.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright.
I open it, Daddy.
Yes, open it.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh.
I see what this is.
that's what this is.
Well, don't get in. Fernando, why don't you sit down on my seat? Put the gift wrapping on the floor.
Oh, heck yeah. Dude, these are soft.
I got these. The bulldog.
Look, what'd you get?
I get this one.
Hey,
What is that?
HotWheels.com.
The worst guy.
Can you see them, Ange?
Daddy. Dad.
Look.
Here. Can you see them, Ange?
Angel, what did you get? Nice.
Another house shoes. Slippers.
Dude, you're gonna trip.
Daddy.
You're gonna trip on them because
Yeah,
there's
just- you gotta
strings
take
on them.
Take the string off.
I'm good.
Why don't you go sit down?
It's free. Are those the pajamas I got here?
Yes!
They fit?
You know what? The pants are tiny long, but because of the elastic, they actually stay up. So I'm like, you know what? The shirt is perfect.
My open.
So yeah, go show onto your pajamas.
Nice, Daniel.
Here, go ahead, sit up there.
Here. Wow.
All right.
Nice.
Rip it open. All right, look, there's a spot.
And
right
that
there.
is Mom's butt.
You just gave everybody the butt.
Everybody,
Yeah, everybody. If we ever watch this video.
if we ever watch the video. Not little pieces, big old pieces, big old pieces. Oh, you're not very good at this, are you?
Angel,
Come on,
first.
help your brother, help your
Huh?
brother.
I said I can't look first.
What?
Oh,
So,
no. Race cars.
Oh, I know, right?
Race cars. Oh, no.
From Lightning Queen.
did you talk to Casey?
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you,
They
Queen.
have open service here. They're just getting breakfast.
They got a puzzle.
Come on.
He's got cars.
Let him see it.
He got a puzzle.
It's a puzzle. Let's open it.
No, two puzzles. Two things. You'll make a big mess.
That's nice.
Alright, now the other one.
Open the other one.
Maybe we can put the dogs upstairs.
Okay, let him eat.
Yeah.
Oh! I turned around and chicken was there too.
He is determined.